how to download install IDM Internet Download Manager. Already install చేసినటువంటి IDM Internet Download Manager software ను how to uninstall completely. To browser open, how to uninstall Internet Download Manager completely. Watch this video. In this video description section లో వీడియో రిలేటెడ్ లింక్ అనేది పేస్ట్ చేశాను. ఆ లింక్ అనేది క్లిక్ చేసి బిఫోర్ అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసిన తర్వాతనే ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ స్టార్ట్. సర్చ్ బాక్స్లో ఇంటర్నెట్ డౌన్లోడ్ మేనేజర్ ఎంటర్ కీ ప్రెస్. అఫీషియల్ లింక్ ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్లో డిస్ప్లే internetdownloadmanager.com. ఇంటర్నెట్ డౌన్లోడ్ మేనేజర్ ఈజ్ ఏ పవర్ఫుల్ డౌన్లోడ్ యాక్సిలరేటర్. ఫస్ట్ లింక్ మౌస్ లెఫ్ట్ క్లిక్. Complete redirectory official page display. In middle section lo accelerate your download by up to 8 times speed up. Mouse scroll down. All popular browsers are supported. First one, install IDM extension for Google Chrome. Install IDM add-on for Mozilla Firefox. Install IDM extension for Microsoft Edge. Any installed your favorite browser in your PC and laptop. Installed browser extension, select Google Chrome's. First link click. If you want to install this extension, get mouse left click, back. Next mouse scroll down. Try Internet Download Manager for free. Last one button, download Internet Download Manager button, mouse left click. Download section lo idm.exe set of file downloading process completed, file size 11.7 MB. Next installation setup process, browser minimize, desktop file explorer document open. Left side third option, download folder lo idm.exe set of file display, mouse right click. First option open click. Internet Download Manager installer window lo first button yes click. Download folder minimize. IDM setup window lo default language English set. Right side down arrow click. Select your country and local language. Default English select. OK button click. Internet Download Manager installation wizard window lo first button next click. Please read IDM license complete information in middle section display. Bottom side I accept the terms in the license agreement. Left side box lo tick mark set, mouse left click. Second button next click. Choose destination location. Destination folder default location and path. Local disk C, program files x86. Internet Download Manager newly created folder display. In case change the another one drive, right side browse button click. Select here any convenient your drive, unnecessary cancel. If you want desktop shortcut icon IDM, mark set box, unnecessary tick mark remove, mark set. Second button next click. Second button next click. Desktop shortcut Internet Download Manager display on desktop. Next finish click. Internet Download Manager select, double click open. Unnecessary tick mark remove, close. Internet Download Manager latest version 6.42. Complete user interface, white color theme display. Add URL icon click. Address box lo downloader related URL link అనేది పేస్ట్ చేయాలి. Mouse right click, paste here and OK click. Second button start download click చేయాలి. Next close window. IDM trial reset, enter key press. Official link first section lo display github.com. First link mouse left click. GitHub redirectory official page complete display. Middle section lo mouse scroll down. Download section lo you can get the latest version here. Blue color highlighted word here. Select, mouse left click. New page display section lo mouse scroll down again. Left side assets section lo first option IDM trial reset version 1.0.0 zip file. First option mouse left click. Zip file downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document reopen. Zip file display. Extract this, mouse right click. Extract to IDM trial reset option select. After extracting process completed, select open and file select, mouse right click. First option open click. Download folder minimize. IDM internet download manager open. Second menu register click. Middle section lo register IDM now button click. Type your name here. Default name display. OK button click. Please wait and here few seconds. Register IDM window lo IDM is registered now. After completed activation, OK click. Close window. System restart now must. In case cannot open IDM internet download manager software, IDM trial reset reopen. First option trial reset select. Reset the IDM trial now, middle button click.